Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing your WhatsApp profile photo on Android. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open WhatsApp and tap on the three dots button in the top right corner of the page. Choose Settings from the menu that appears. Tap on your name at the top of the settings page. Tap on the camera icon on the bottom right of your current profile photo. You can choose Camera to take a live photo, Gallery to select an image from your phone's gallery, or Avatar to create an avatar to use as your profile photo. If you choose Gallery, tap to select the photo you want to use. You can crop and reposition the photo as well as rotate it at the bottom. Tap Done when you are happy with the photo. Your photo will be changed. If you choose Avatar, tap Get Started, and then choose a skin color and customize the avatar to your liking. Tap Done in the top right when you are happy with your avatar. Tap Save Changes. Tap Next. You can then choose a selfie to use as your profile picture and choose a background color for your selfie. Tap the tick in the top right corner to set the avatar selfie as your WhatsApp profile picture. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more WhatsApp tips and tricks.